Welcome back to Auto MVIP, the place where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of cars. If you love high-performance vehicles, cutting-edge technology, and stunning design, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's jump right into today's video. The 2025 Cadillac CTS-V is here, and it's making waves in the world of luxury performance sedans. Cadillac has taken everything that made the CTS-V a legend and pushed it even further. With a powerful engine, advanced technology, and aggressive styling, this car is ready to dominate the roads. Under the hood, the 2025 Cadillac CTS-V packs a beastly 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, producing an astounding 680 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. This power is sent to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and instant response. The CTS-V can launch from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans in its class. Performance isn't just about power, it's also about control. Cadillac has equipped the CTS-V with Magnetic Ride Control 4.0, an advanced suspension system that adapts to road conditions in real time, providing an unmatched balance between comfort and handling. The electronic limited-slip differential enhances traction, while the Brembo high-performance brakes ensure you have all the stopping power you need. The exterior design of the 2025 CTS-V is both aggressive and elegant. The bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The wider stance and aerodynamic enhancements improve performance while adding to the car's striking looks. Carbon fiber elements, such as the hood and rear spoiler, not only reduce weight, but also enhance the sporty appeal. Inside the cabin, Cadillac has blended luxury with high-tech features. Premium materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum create a sophisticated yet sporty environment. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the 16.9-inch curved OLED touchscreen keeps you connected with the latest infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 36-speaker AKG audio system ensure an immersive experience, whether you're on the track or cruising on the highway. Safety and driver assistance features are a priority in the 2025 CTS-V. Cadillac's Super Cruise technology offers hands-free driving on compatible highways, making long trips more comfortable. Other features include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a high-resolution surround view camera. These technologies work together to provide confidence and security behind the wheel. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Cadillac CTS-V starts at around $98,000. However, with additional performance upgrades, carbon fiber packages, and luxury enhancements, the price can easily exceed $110,000. While it's a significant investment, the CTS-V offers a combination of power, luxury, and technology that few competitors can match. The 2025 Cadillac CTS-V is a statement car, designed for those who crave both performance and refinement. It's a perfect blend of American muscle and luxury, offering an exhilarating driving experience without compromising on comfort. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for a track-ready sedan or someone who enjoys high-speed cruising in style, this car delivers on all fronts. That's all for today's video. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Cadillac CTS-V. Would you choose this over its European rivals? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Thanks for watching Auto MVIP, and we'll see you in the next one.